Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. So if you want to link your WhatsApp page or WhatsApp channel to the TikTok, then this video is absolutely for you. So for that you have to just simply update your TikTok application first, and after updating that you have to just simply open up the TikTok. So after opening up TikTok, you have to just simply head over to your profile by just tapping on the below right corner of your profile, and here you have to just simply click on edit profile. Now you have here two ways. The first way is if you have 1,000 followers or more. So if you have 1,000 followers or more, you guys can be able to see the option which is called website, and you guys can put your link or paste your link in that section, and your link will be visible and clickable for everyone. And if you have not 1,000 follower or less than 1,000 followers, you guys must not have to worry about it, and you guys have to just simply click on the bio section, and you guys can do what you guys can do is you guys can just simply put your website link here. Assume that I'm just posting here, and let's suppose, and you guys can here post the link by just pasting here and click on save. But the what was the disadvantage of this? By this you guys cannot be able to click on the link, but you guys can be able to see the link, and you guys can display the link on your profile, but it is not clickable. But for the clickable you must have more than 1,000 followers or 1,000 followers at least. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.